Dear colleagues, public administrators must be expert jugglers. The last few years have proven this. At each step of the crisis, public administrations have been called upon to juggle multiple challenges and multiple tasks. From the beginning of the COVID crisis, public administrations were called upon to manage a public health crisis, providing emergency medical support. And at the same time, they had to manage an economic crisis, providing emergency support to businesses, and an educational crisis, ensuring the continuity of schools and universities. And now, in the recovery, public administrations are called upon, once again, to manage exceptional levels of European investments, including European cohesion policy and the European Union recovery and resilience plans, at the same time as managing a green and digital transformation of the economy, while still managing the fallout from Russian aggression in Ukraine, including refugees and energy price hikes. In all of these tasks, there has been a crucial element: digitalization. Digitalization kept public services and education going during lockdown. Digitalization is what has kept Ukrainian public services working, despite the war and the chaos. And digitalization will be essential across Europe to transition to the future economy, as well as providing Europe's citizens and businesses with the high-quality services they deserve. Digitalization presents a double challenge. On the one hand, public administrations will play a key role in digitalization of the economy and of small businesses, education, and households. At the same time, public administrations will have to reform themselves, changing their way of working to deliver digital services efficiently, transparently, and cost-effectively. To help public administrations rise to these challenges and this double challenge, we in the European Commission have recently set up an expert group for public administration and governance. The goal is open dialogue about the strategic and tactical challenges. European Union countries will join forces with observers and experts, as well as networks of chief information officers. This cross-pollination and exchange of ideas, we find it essential in view of the challenges we are all facing. These are strategic and tactical challenges linked to the disruptive nature of the new technology. New platforms, machine learning, big data, all these are, and more, are bringing new opportunities for those who invest in the skills and capacity. At the same time, there are strategic and technical challenges linked to fairness and solidarity. It is critical that all Europeans benefit from these new technologies, so the digital transformation must reach every part of Europe and all tiers of administrative systems. In addition, public administrations must be interoperable and share data with European counterparts, while still giving citizens' data the protection it deserves. Managing these challenges requires a lot of expertise and insight. The European Commission's technical support instrument provides tailor-made expertise for structural reforms, including digital public administration. Over the last 2 years alone, we have supported around 100 digital governance projects covering all 27 member states. Some of the projects seek to improve public digitalized services. For example, using artificial intelligence to track the different components of products with the goal of reusing them in the spirit of the circular economy. Some of the projects seek to make systems interoperable. Interoperability is essential for the once-only principle, saving citizens and businesses from repeatedly inputting the same data many times to many different systems. Some of the projects support digital-ready policies and legislation. By this we mean considering digital aspects from the very beginning of a new legislative initiative to ensure that all initiatives are fit for the digital age. For example, in Denmark, we are supporting the Agency of Digital Government, piloting in 2 ministries a cutting-edge, innovative approach to preparing digital-ready legislation. In all of these reforms, we seek to introduce the state-of-the-art, but we seek to do this in a collaborative kind of approach, because the single solution provider is a thing of the past. Future success will be built on the firm foundation of co-design, co-creation, working together with all the relevant partners. And as we look to the future, it is clear that this cooperative work between public administrations and all the relevant partners, and with the support of the European Commission, it is clear that this cooperative, co-creative and collaborative work will only intensify. So in 2023, we are proposing 3 flagship projects, 3 key priorities of digital relevance under this technical support instrument. First, the professionalization of public procurement, including digital procurement. We aim to support improvements in methods, as well as in terms of integrity and transparency. Second, we'll support the digital transformation of regional and local public administrations. These administrations play a key role in the transition, not least as a key interface with local people and local businesses. Regional and local administrations are often very motivated, but feel the need for advice or expertise. The technical support instrument will provide it. Our third relevant flagship is what we called PACE. PACE stands for Public Administration Cooperation Exchange. This is an exchange program for civil servants across Europe, and digital skills is one of the key topics for exchange. These are the possibilities and these are the programs, but the key ingredient is the partners. The key ingredient is you. All of us want a greener Europe, a more prosperous Europe with energy security, and a fairer Europe where all citizens and businesses can easily access public services. The key to this future is digitalization, and the key to digitalization is the role of public administration, and the key to the digitalization of public administration is you, the partners. So I look forward to hearing the results of your discussion. Thank you very much indeed for your work. Thank you.